Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and before anything else, if you're new here, please click that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So how is everyone? It's been a while and it really feels good to be back and show you some of my new nail sets. Like in this video, I will be using this new set of gel polishes I bought from Shopee. I bought it a long time ago and I remember buying it at a very low price, and checking it now, it says it's only 38 pesos each, but it's all sold out. Anyway, this is my left hand. If you haven't seen the video where I did this nail design, you can go check out my channel. And for my right hand, I will be using this full cover tips. I also bought these from Shopee. I'll put the link down below. I also bought this nail tip holder. It's like a practice stand where you can stick your nail tips and try on new gel polishes, as well as practice on your gel application. So I'm gonna swatch these gel polishes. I did not prepare a design before this. It's my first time seeing the colors of the gel, so I want to see what I'm gonna work with and start from there. So here are the colors when cured, and some of them needed to have two coats to have full coverage, like the green one, but I think it's supposed to be not as opaque because it has this jelly type of color, but I like them all anyway. I specifically chose those colors because most of the sets I own don't have those colors yet, and apparently I bought these individually. It is not sold as a set, so I think it's a good thing because I get to choose the colors I want. So of course we have to prep our nails first. I pushed back my cuticles and now cleaning it as well using a nail drill. After prepping the nails, I'm gonna get the nail tips and find my sizes. I usually don't use full cover tips, so it took a while for me to find a good fit because most of the time the sizes are not fitting well, so I have to do some adjustments. I'm going to also prep the tips using a nail drill. I'm filing the inside of the tip, mostly the part where my nails are going to stick to for better adhesion. After that, I'm going to apply base coat on all of my nails. And I'm also going to use that as a glue for the tips. I'm putting on the tips first and then sticking it on the nail, cuticle first, and then pushing it back down to the free edge. So here are the nails with the tips on. I honestly like the shape so much, but I'll save it for next time because I want to copy the length I have on my left hand. So I'm going to trim these tips down using a nail cutter and shape it using a nail file. have a slightly bigger nail on the middle finger and it's always hard to find a fit, so I ended up with this, but we're just gonna work through it. I also love the shape. Almond nails are also my go-to short nail shape, so we're just gonna go ahead and color these nails. Looking at the swatches, I wanted to do a design I did before. It's like drawing swirled lines on a colored base. Usually it has 3 colors and I chose this ones. I tried it first on the practice nail, and once I find it cute, I proceeded on doing my nails. So here are the nails. Once I'm done, I'm just gonna top it all with top coat. So here are the nails. I enjoyed doing this nail set so much, and it only took me half the time compared to when I'm doing ball gel nails. Apparently because I did this method, I think it's called Dupe method, and it really focused me on nail arts more than building an extension. I love the design as well. This is one of the nail trends I like the most. I think this would also look good matte, but I prefer glossy. What do you think? I want to hear your thoughts on this one. But for me, I love it. If you also want to try this, I'll try to find new gel recommendations. You can also ask me questions as well as tag me on your nail pics. So I hope you like this one. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Comment down below suggestions on what I should do next. Also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at Happy Fingers. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.